Hello everyone, today we are going to start a new topic that is of English grammar. So our today's topic name is determiners. So this topic is too easy and interesting topic. Definitely you will understand in one time and never forget this topic. So let's start without wasting our time. These are of 6 types. First is possessive, second demonstrative, third distributive, fourth interrogative, fifth articles, and sixth is quantifier. And this topic I will divide it in 2 videos. Means to say that in this video I will explain these types, and in next video I will explain this type in detail, how to use articles. Understood? So now I will tell you the in detail. पोसेसिव मीन्स टू से दैट अपनी चीज़, जो अपनी ही चीज़ हो. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ये मेरा पेन है, या छोटे बच्चे बोलते हैं ये मेरा टॉय है, या ये मेरी पेंसिल है. लाइक थिंग दैट मीन्स टू से दैट अपनी खुद की चीज़. मीन्स टू से दैट वर्ड्स विल यूज दीज माई, माइन, माई सेल्फ, मी, हिमसेल्फ और हर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ माई पेन. My word is used, so this sentence is possessive. Next is our demonstrative. Demonstrative means to say that demo देना किसी चीज़ का या करना. Like if anybody traveled in private buses, so they should have to know this type, because in private buses the persons are giving the demos of things like medicines. So this thing, like I also not travel up to now, but I will travel one time. So means to that demonstrative means to say that demo देना किसी चीज़ का या करना. This, these, that, those. जैसे ये मेरा पेन है और ये मेरे पास है, means to say that this is my pen. ठीक है, यही पेन बहुत ज़्यादा हैं और आपके पास हैं, तो बोलोगे दीज पेन्स आर माइन. इफ दिस पेन इज वन एंड फार अवे फ्रॉम यू, देन यू विल से दैट पेन इज माइन. इफ दिस पेन इज मैनी एंड फार अवे फ्रॉम यू, देन यू विल स्पीक दोज पेन्स आर माइन. सो दिस इज अवर सेकेंड टाइप. Third type is that distributive. Distributive means to say that बांटना. Distribute करना. Like on the birthdays, you are distributing candies, chocolates to your friends. So that is means to say that some, much, more, any, many, etc. For example, give me some water. Anybody having blue pen? Like this. How many students are present today? Like this. These are the examples of this type. Next is our interrogative. Means to say that WH family all know this type. All know that WH family almost. Like where, whose, whom, watch. And one thing more. We are speaking now this word what. Now you will not speak what. You will speak watch. This word is not a what. This word is watch. Means to say that ट के साथ थोड़ी सी च की भी आवाज़ आ रही है. लिखने में नहीं, बोलने में च की आवाज़ आ रही है थोड़ी सी. Watch. Yes. So now from today you will speak watch. Understood? What are you doing? Like this. And almost WH family. And how also included in this type. And if we, for example, where do you live? एंड में क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है, डेफिनेटली यू विल गिव आंसर इट इज अ इंटरोगेटिव. ये भी नहीं देखो एंड में ज़्यादातर क्या देते हैं हम, क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो दैट इज अवर इंटरोगेटिव. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट इज आर्टिकल्स. ऑलमोस्ट दी इज ऑल्सो नो दैट ए एंड द. बट हाउ टू यूज दीज 3 वर्ड्स आई विल टेल यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. So next is our quantifier, and in this topic 2 types are similar to each other. One is this and one is distributive. As I here I written similar to distributive such as few, a few, little, a little, any, many, etc. As these words are also included in this. Understood? So for example, give me some water, or how many students, which example I have given to you here, that is same as it is in this. So understood? I hope you will be understood these types, and this is the most easy, and to keep it in your mind these types of this topic. So learn this one line, Pyare Dada Dadi, I am twin. As you all are seeing here, first word of the all letters are the types of this topic. So if you know this line, then definitely you will not forget the the types of this topic, because these are the easy, possessive, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, articles, quantifier. In this, two are the most famous, that interrogative and articles, which you all know that, but articles most of the students are doing wrong in the exercise, that I will tell you in the next video, and I will explain in proper. Then after that I will give one worksheet on the video only, and then I will give time to do that, so you have to solve that, and then in that video only I will give you answers also, and if your answers are wrong, then I will give explanation also, that why that answer is coming there. Understood? So this video you have to see very properly and understand it. Definitely you will understand in one time, because these are two easy topics in the English grammar. One thing more, that topics we are doing a notice writing, message writing, email, that is not a grammar, that is writing part. Grammar is to say that chapter like determiners, modals, another things, and that notice, message, email, that is not a grammar, that is written part, written topics. Understood? And in that also, like we are doing the written topics, email, notice, messages, diary entry. So in that also many students are mistaking one thing, that to make a box. One thing always should, that men are always in boats. Learn this word man. Learn this word man. Man means to say that men are always in boats. Means M from message, E from email, and N from notice. Means to say that these three writing parts are always in boats. Never forget this word man. Men are always in boats. M from man, message, E stand from email, and N stand from notice writing. So when you will do the writing parts, these three topics, then never forget to make bots. If you have forget to make bots, your -1 will be detected in a test also, as well as in exam. So always learn one word man, and in this topic you have to learn one line, Pyare Dada Dadi, I am twin. Understood? I hope you all understood this topic very easily. This topic is very easy and interesting topic. Yes? So once again I am explaining you one time these types. First type is our possessive, means to say that अपनी चीज, my, mine, myself, me, himself, herself, ये words use होंगे जहाँ पर भी वो हमारा सेंटेंस कौन सा आ जाएगा, possessive. नेक्स्ट है अपना डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव, डेमो देना या करना किसी चीज़ है, जैसे प्राइवेट बसेस में किसी भी मेडिसिन से डेमो दिए जाते हैं, जैसे वर्ड्स यूज होंगे वहाँ पे दिस, दिस, दैट, दोज. दिस इज फॉर सिंगुलर, देन प्लूरल फ्रॉम दीज, दैट इज फॉर सिंगुलर एंड दोज फॉर प्लूरल. नेक्स्ट इज अवर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, मीन्स टू से दैट बांटना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना. सो वर्ड्स आर यूज सम, much, more, any, many, etc. Next, interrogative, WH family, most of that with the question mark. Articles a and the, and quantifier similar to distributive, like few, a few, little, a little, many, like this. So these are the 6 types, and easy and interesting. So see this video very carefully, share my channel for my more subscribers. New videos will be coming soon for you. Notification will be connected for you. So comment your views with my about me and about my videos, and if you have any doubt, query, please comment me. And if you want my personal WhatsApp number, so send me comment message in comment box that please give us our WhatsApp number. I will definitely give you. Understood? So bye bye, thank you and have a nice day.